What it do? It's your boy Fox, a million on True Entertainment Underdog. It's for my people going through it. God don't put no more on you than you can take, you heard me? Take. And that's word from a nigga that know it could be worse. Get in. I'm riding through my old hood. Ain't shit changed, niggas up to no good. Niggas smiling in my face like we cool. And I'm not the same nigga that you knew from school. Wasn't fucking with you then and I ain't now. Couldn't throw you nothing then and I can't now. Used to use the shoe boxes, the bank now. I don't know if it's the rims or the paint now. Nigga told me he was thinking about a nice lick. He on his own, mama came first, she sick. He ain't never met his dad, nigga, see spit. But he know about a nigga with a few bricks. Told him he gon' have to kill him if he do the shit. Then he told me that he already knew the shit. Nigga only 14, thinking like this. I hate to hear about him on Channel 6. You don't wanna go to jail with an L, and you don't really wanna do it, I can tell. Ask him why he ain't in school, he ain't surveilled. Where he keep his runner at in the canal. Man to man, male to male. You don't really have to go the way you're going. I'ma put a couple dollars in your pocket. You better flip that motherfucker like a coin. Millie, you could be worse. Boy, you could've been got murked from a church to the hearse to the dirt. It could be worse. Trippin' cause your old lady first. Nigga could've got her ass first. It could be worse. Think how niggas really doing life. They gon' let you get out on the first. It could be worse. Boy, you ain't the only one with problems. There's a lot of people on this earth. It could be worse. Boy, you could've been got murked from a church to the hearse to the dirt. It could be worse. Trippin' cause your old lady first. Nigga could've got her ass first. It could be worse. Think how niggas really doing life. They gon' let you get out on the first. It could be worse. Boy, you ain't the only one with problems. There's a lot of people on this earth. You can see you about to have a baby. Hank knew your baby daddy had an old lady. Now he talking about he wanna get a blood test. Hank knew that he the only one you fuck lately. That's the type of shit that make a woman go crazy. But you knew the cause you was there before you played it. He had promised you a house in the Mercedes. Said he'd leave her and you would be a lady. Baby, you ain't gotta worry about a nigga. Go and get your own. Move on his ass. Get another phone. Keep God first, you'll never be alone. Raise your child with a man that's grown. Judge till you 5 when you could've got 10. Better thank God, then take it on the chin. God first, money, then think about a friend. Baby mama tripping, playing with the little